In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily delete call history on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Phone app. Then, right here at that bottom toolbar, tap at Recents and it will show you your call history. If you would like to delete some particular call or the entire call history, all you have to do is just tap at Edit, and then if you would like to delete just some specific call, just tap at that minus sign and select Delete. If you want to clear the entire call history, right here, tap at Clear, and then clear all recents. That's how you can easily delete call history on your iPhone.